Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hello, my name is Lexi, and today we are doing a Ulta haul. I bought some stuff and I also got some stuff for free, so we're gonna dive in and I'm gonna show you everything I got. At Ulta, if you spent $65, you got some items for free. And then if you spent $75, you got some extra items. I was only going on there to buy 2 items, but when I saw the free gifts, I decided to buy something very special so I could get the free promotional items. I'm first gonna show you what I got to begin with. I actually needed some more Catrice foundation, so I got this in a tiny darker shade because I am getting more tan. This has been my go-to drugstore foundation for a while now. My skin is very oily and I can wear this all day and not even have to touch up, so I'm very impressed with this. I honestly did not think I would like it, but I really do. I got the shade Warm Beige and currently I have the shade Light Beige. It was a little darker than I thought. I thought going up one shade would not make a big difference, but you can kind of tell this is more of a yellow tone, so I think I'm gonna mix these two to have the perfect shade. The other thing I came on here for, I honestly came on here just to see if it was in stock, because after Jeffree Star made a video on it, it has been sold out so many times and it has frustrated me because I can't find it anywhere, and it is the e.l.f. Putty Primer. This has been something that I've wanted to try so bad, and it has been such a struggle to get, and I honestly didn't think that it would be online, but I did get it, and I actually put it on today, and so far I think my skin looks really pretty. I've had my makeup on for like 2 hours and it's still really matte, so I'm impressed so far. We're gonna see what it does by the end of the day, but so far I love it. Here's what it looks like. You can tell I already used it. It feels really soft, and there's a lot of product in here for, I think it was $8. I've been waiting for this so long. Those were the 2 things that I was gonna buy on Ulta until I saw this. It is the Urban Decay Game of Thrones eyeshadow palette. This was $65, so it put me over the free gift for the $65, and the other 2 items I had gave me the $75. You might be thinking, Lexi, you never wear eyeshadow, and you're right, but it's Game of Thrones. It's really cool inside. It has a giant mirror. It has the Iron Throne inside, and then over here slides out, and it is all the eyeshadows. It does come out of the box, and I think the colors are so pretty, and I am trying to wear more eyeshadow, so this will just make my collection even bigger than it was before. My favorite is this purple called Stormborn, and I also like this one, Bend the Knee. It has blue glitter in there. There's a lot of different looks you can do with this palette, and I don't know why I bought it, but I have it now and I love it. Now we're gonna jump into the free gifts that I got. I got this Origins Anti-Aging Power Serum, and I have so many anti-aging creams, but I love Origins, so I'm gonna be trying this out. This is a Matcha Magic Super Antioxidant Mask, and I love masks, so I'm very excited to try this one. It kind of has like a earthy, grassy smell, but I love this brand, so I'm excited. I got a Peter Thomas Roth moisturizer, and I actually have some of his masks that I love, so I've never tried a moisturizer from him before, so I am very happy that I got this. I think this is so adorable. It's called Cake My Day, and it's a wash-off mask, and it says that there's sprinkles inside, so let's see what it looks like. Oh, that's cute. There's a smiley face on the lid. It smells like icing. That's what it looks like. You can kind of see like the glitter or sprinkles inside the mask. It's white with like rainbow sprinkles, so that's really interesting, and I will be trying this out. I got a Murad acid peel, and I actually watched some videos on this yesterday because I was really nervous that it was gonna make my skin peel, but apparently it just kind of takes away the dark areas. Everyone that I watched didn't have the dry, flaky skin, which is what I expected from an acid peel, so I think it's not that harsh on the skin. It says to do it every night for 7 days, so I feel like this can probably get me through 7 days, but we'll see. I have some like dark areas on my cheek, so hopefully this will help that. I also received an Estee Lauder Advanced Night Micro Cleansing Foam, and I have a lot of Estee Lauder products, and I've never tried this. Oh, it's really cute. I like the lid. That's what it looks like, and it just says every night massage over damp skin and rinse with warm water. So I will be trying this one. I got a Clinique Moisturizer Lotion. I got a Dermalogica Dynamic Skin Recovery, and I honestly don't know what this does. You're supposed to apply it 30 minutes before sun exposure after cleansing your skin. So this is really interesting. I will be trying this out. I got a Clarins moisturizing cream, so I'm gonna try this out. If none of these products work for me or I don't like them, I give them to my family because everybody's skin is different. So something that I don't like, my family usually will like. So this is a lot of products, but most likely I'll be sharing because this is just way too much for me. I got some under eye gels, and I literally just ran out of the other ones I used, so I'm glad I got this. I also got a sheet mask, and I've always wanted to try one of these. It's the ones that you like tuck over your ears, and it looks like there's a neck piece that like makes your neck like lift up. I actually was gonna give this to my sister, but not anymore. I'm going to try this. It says it hydrates in 15 minutes, so I'll be trying this. The last thing I got is this vitamin C serum. That's my Ulta haul. I was not expecting to buy this, but I got a lot of really cool products for free that I'm gonna try out and see if I like any of them. That is all for today's haul, and if you are new here, please hit that subscribe button, and please give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what you would like to see me do next. Bye!